Protesting the handing over of the Vice-Chancellor's charge to Professor Ganga Prasad on the Department of Commerce, volunteers from Manipur University Students' Union, Musu, locked the Vice-Chancellor's office today. This development followed an order issued today by the Under-Secretary to the Government of India, directing Professor Ganga Prasad to assume the charge of Vice-Chancellor until a newly appointed Vice-Chancellor takes office. The incident reportedly occurred as the professor arrived at Vice-Chancellor's court hall to take charge in pursuance of the order. Arguing that the order was irrational and illogical, a large number of Musu volunteers locked the Vice-Chancellor's room, compelling the professor to turn back. Speaking to the media, Musu General Secretary Mayanglambam Malinganba strongly opposed the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education decision and claimed that the most senior professor should assume the role of Vice-Chancellor in charge as per the Manipur University Act 2005. He added that Musu took strong exception to filing the position in charge in violation of the Act. Malinganba warned that Musu will launch intensified agitations if the varsity authority attempts to enforce the order by force.
Manipur University Act 2025 ki matung ina BC in charge oi paiber si Manipur University ki SKTV professor oiraba mana paiba haji University Act ki masana yaujaro poni asugumba act si violence tawraga SKTV oidaba ojama khalakpa asi musuna akin lawi ngasi yaningdabo ina BC ki get asi musuna lonjen jabani asuk saw gorba Manipur University asida politics ki man mongda aidi BC khalapoi mong asi musuna yaningdabo phongdok jeri haitare.
Meanwhile, Musu Literary and Publicity Secretary Siddhananda Sarangthem pointed out that Professor Sumitra Fanjobam is the most senior professor at the university and should therefore take charge as Vice-Chancellor.
Professor Mem Sumitra Fanjobambu, BC in charge hapa mamatungda khangkhangawdan haitare ministry dagi chi ama lae commerce talai ba oja prasanbu sumaina BC in charge oigadabani haibagi ministry gi lakpa wafam asi tasengna haikana musuna sunga yajaninde maramdi oja prasani mathakta maroi oja senior professor ani leiri maroina Mem Sumitra Fanjobam mathangda oja Hem Kumar makhoi sing asi leina masida hida ministry na natraga authority na namfuda ngasi thingjili basi sosi lonjelami basi thugaira kanda BC asi changduna thabak torma taragadi makha tarakba afabata daita Manipur University Authority amadi ngasi lengak na pugadamne